Meru Senator Mithika Linturi will on 5th April know his fate when the High Court will issue a judgment in a case in which he is challenging the move by University of Nairobi to deregister him from the School of Law. Parties in the case made their final submissions before Justice George Odunga. The University of Nairobi has defended its decision, maintaining that it followed due process when it deregistered Senator Linturi. Meanwhile, the High Court has quashed the decision by the Kenya Examination Council to cancel KCSE results of Chebuyusi High School. Justice George Odunga ruled that the cancellation of the results was not done in accordance with the law. The examination body has instead been given 2 weeks to investigate allegations of cheating and determine whether they will cancel or uphold the results.
Nilikuwa guided na County Director of Education kwamba ni register watoto, nikaita board tukaamua hivyo. Vile tuliita wazazi kwamba watoto warudi shule wakuwe registered, wazazi walikataa. Walikataa kwamba hawezi rudisha watoto wao kabla hawajajua ni sababu gani ilifanya zao zikakuwa cancelled.
And a police officer found guilty of murder will know his fate on the 5th of April after the trial judge James Wakiaga received his pre-sentence report from the probation officers. The officer Titus Ngamau Elias Katitu was found guilty of murder committed on April 14, 2013 at Githurai 45 bus stage during an operation to weed out criminals. Purity Wanjiku Mwangi, the mother to the deceased, has urged the court to hand the maximum sentence to Katitu. Elsewhere, 2 members of the Nakuru County Assembly have been arraigned in a Nakuru court alongside 7 other suspects over alleged incitement. Biashara MCA Peter Njoroge and his Kivumbini counterpart Wilbur Onyango appeared before Principal Magistrate Joe Omido and denied the charges of inciting a group of youth to evict squatters from Ampiva farm in Bahati sub-county. They were released on a personal bond of 100,000 shillings, awaiting conclusion of investigations and plea taking on March 29th. Finally, the Court of Appeal has directed 3 residents of Kwale County who have filed an application seeking to substitute a voter who had appealed against the striking off of a petition contesting the election of Governor Salim Vuria to file their submissions within 7 days. The appellate court further instructed them to serve the respondents, who in turn will have 7 days to file their response. The applicants want the court to allow them substitute Mwalole Mbwana from the appeal and be allowed as petitioners instead. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.